Hey guys, welcome back to Tolu's Kitchen. So today's recipe is cashew cream. So y'all, I love cashew cream. It's so good, so delicious, and it works well in most sweet and savory dishes. For me personally, I use cashew cream as a dip for carrots. I also use it to make creamy pasta sauces, and I also use it as a salad dressing as well. So it's very multi-purpose in that it works well with almost everything. The key thing with making cashew cream, y'all, is that you want to make sure that you use raw, unsalted, and not roasted cashews. So plain good old cashews with nothing on them. So depending on the power of your blender, you can either blend the cashews straight out of the pack or of the jar in my case, or if your blender is less powerful, you can soak the cashews anywhere from 1 hour to overnight. Right, so I have my cashews soaking here for around 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, we're also going to be adding some sea salt. So just a quarter teaspoon of sea salt to the cashews, just to add some flavor to that. And then we're gonna add some water in there and blend it all together. This is the jar I normally store my cashew cream into for the week. It keeps in the fridge for the week, or you can also store it in the freezer, not in the jar of course. You can store it in the freezer for about 6 months and it's going to keep just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make the cashew cream.